Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have a Juvias Place Halloween mystery box unbox today. This is very exciting. I haven't done a makeup mystery box in a while. So when I saw that they were having a Halloween mystery box, I was like, why not? Don't mind if I do. I don't have that much from them. Like my whole collection is literally right here. What is this? 4 pieces. Look at this. I have a highlighter, a setting powder, a concealer, and a blush palette. And I will say, like, you know, I've never really reached for any of this stuff. I have it, but the palette's not too bad. This is the palette that I have. I think it was like 40% off one time in Ulta, so I bought it. But these are the only things I own from the brand. So usually when you don't have a lot of stuff from a brand, I think it's a good idea to do their mystery boxes because you can try out a lot of stuff for like a good deal, like a very cheap price. So this box was only $15. So I was like, I have nothing to lose. 9 times out of 10, I'm not going to have what's in the box because, like I said, that's my whole collection from them. So let's see what I got in the box. As always, you guys know what I'm about to say. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel, mostly majority everything makeup related. I do some like shopping hauls from like Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshall, stuff like that. Still mostly makeup items. So if you guys like to watch makeup hauls, shopping hauls, beauty hauls, all that good stuff, then I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty, so when the box came in the mail, and I literally just got this today, but it's going to be a day late because I'm going to edit it tonight and post it tomorrow. But the box, you can't really tell that it's from Juvias Place. It just says right on the top right here. But rather than that, you wouldn't really know like where the box came from. So I had no clue where or what this was. So I'm super excited to dig in and see. I haven't really seen too many videos on their mystery boxes, probably 1 or 2. So let's see what's in here. Because $15, I had to open the box to see because I didn't see it said Juvia's Place on this small thing. So I was like, what's in here? And there was a lot of stuff in here for $15. I'll tell you that. There is a lot of stuff in here. So I'll give you a sneak peek. That's the things that I got for $15. Did I mention it was only $15? Alrighty, let's see what's in here. Alrighty, so the first thing I got is I got another highlighter because the one I have is like more my skin tone, like bronzy. This one looks like a little lighter. I'll let you guys compare in color. This looks like more like a gold and this looks like a copper, but this is the color that I got. Hold on. See, it's kind of like almost like a whitish gold. So that's the first thing I got, which I'm excited for. This color is called Cleo. Alrighty, the next thing I got is a lip collection. It says matte and metallic liquid lipstick. So let's see. I don't have any of their lip products. So let's see what I got. Is it 2 of the same colors? One of them kind of fell out a little bit, but let's see. It says Madame. So the kit came with 2 of the same. Oh, I guess one is matte and one is metallic. Oh, I get it now. So it's the same color, but one is matte and one is metallic. I actually would wear these colors. These colors look very good on my skin tone. So far I'm winning because I definitely would wear these shades. Does it have the, I guess the color is called Madame. I'm definitely going to wear these. So I'm very happy. So far with just this, I'm happy with spending $15 because this is definitely worth it. And this too, I would definitely wear this color. I have a highlight on already, or I would have put some on, but it's not really going with my look today. Alrighty, I got the Nubian Nourishing Lip Balm in Passion Fruit. I didn't even know they made a lip balm. Did you guys know they made a lip balm? Let's see what this looks like. Oh, I love their packaging. Oh, yep. It doesn't smell like anything. I already have on lip stuff already, but I definitely would wear this too. So everybody knows, if you subscribe to my channel, that pink's my favorite color. So I'm definitely going to get a use out of this. And it's sheer, it's just a lip balm. So very happy for that. And then what is this? This is is this an eyeshadow palette? I'm not sure. This is what the box is called. It's called the Rebel Grays. Let's see what it is. Some sort of palette. I'm guessing eyeshadow if it says it's called the Grays. I don't have any eyeshadow palettes from them. So it's like, yeah, it's grays. There's no mirror with their packaging. It's just like silver, charcoal. Good colors for Halloween season, spooky season. So I could see why they gave grays. Because usually like people do like their makeup like skulls. I did my makeup as a skull one year and I use a lot of like blacks and whites and grays to get like the skull on my face. So I definitely could see why this was in a Halloween kit. Now, it wasn't anything like Halloween themed. It's just a Halloween mystery box, but this was cute. This is the 4 things I got. Well, technically, if you want to be technical, 3, 4, technically 5 items I got because the lip stuff was in a kit, but it's still 5 items. 5 items for 15 items. 5 items for $15, guys. Don't walk, run and get this. In my opinion, this was a great deal. Super excited for the kit. Did anybody else see that? I was just randomly scrolling looking for makeup mystery boxes, and I haven't been doing too much this year just because I have done so many makeup mystery unboxings on my channel now. So now I have a lot of stuff and I don't want to keep doing it if I'm going to get a whole bunch of dupes. And that's what was happening to me in the past. Like the Huda Beauty mystery boxes, I started to get like pretty much everything in the box I've had. So I'm like, I'm not going to keep doing it and then just having dupes. I don't like to be wasteful. But like I said, I didn't have anything from this brand for the most part. So I'm really excited. I'm about to wear this lip tomorrow. Very excited for this. So I wonder if you wear the matte and the metallic on top, or is it just like separate? I don't know. Comment down below if you know. But either way, yeah, on the bottom it says Madame Matte and Madame Metallic. So they are 2 different types. Alrighty, guys. Let me know if you got this box and if you got the same things as me. I'm curious if everybody got the same things or if they were actually different. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your box. And I'm super excited to show you guys. I got a whole bunch of Sephora favorites kits that I bought from Sephora. And I'm so excited to show you guys like what I got because there's so many different types. And I know it may be hard sometimes to pick and choose which set to get. So I bought them all for you, and stay tuned for my next couple of videos because I'm going to be filming all my Sephora favorite sets that I bought for you guys. So stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell when you subscribe so that way you know when I upload those videos. And that's really about it. I'll see you guys all in my next video.